This important little notification here says the shell transponder chip, little chip here. That is not needed with this key. Now, this key is for a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. There's some cords that are this style as well. So, once you take this little piece out of the old shell, your old shell is garbage. Your little screw that held it in is garbage. This here is not garbage. You're gonna throw it in the casing that it has, nice and snug. This is the chip, so it is not needed, this little transponder. This is the transponder. Anyways, your key goes in here like so, and the cover goes right over like that, just like that. Now when you squeeze it in, this key isn't going nowhere. It's not going nowhere, guys. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Put the cover on the new key. See that little red flashing light? Let's throw our screws in.
So now, the way I'm tightening these screws is in a crisscross formation. It probably doesn't matter. We're going from this one to this one to this one to this one and back over, vice versa. Like I said, it probably doesn't matter, but hey, do that with everything. Snug, 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 and snug.
So now, yeah, this key isn't going nowhere. Fully functional. Just like that, brand new key. These little inserts here we didn't end up using. You do have a second one that comes with the set, so I'll just leave this here just in case. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.